So before starting, we can discuss about the demand function. I explained you about the what is the demand and what is the determinants of the demand. Now we will discuss about the demand function. So here we can discuss about that. So demand function shows the relationship between the quantity demanded for a particular commodity and the factors influencing it. It can be either with respect of the one consumer, individual demand function, or the all consumers in the market, that is called the market demand function. So either it is individual or market demand function. I will explain you some of the function of that. Dx equals to dx shows the demand of the commodity. Commodity X means any commodity. Um, Px shows the price of the given commodity. Y shows the income of the consumer, and PO shows the size and the composition of the population. T for the taste and preference. A for the distribution of income, and then EF shows the exceptions of the changes in the future, and then N shows the um, number of quantity of the commodity. So these are the some main functions of a commodity. Now we will discuss about the schedule of the demand. Means first of all we will discuss about the demand schedule. So demand schedule is a tabular statement showing the various quantity of the commodity being demanded at various level of price during the given period of time. It shows the relationship between the price of a commodity and its quantity demanded. Because what happened here, they are showing that like price is 4532 dollars or rupees, quantity demanded 10, 20, 30, and 40. Point to be part A, B, C, D means they have to be wants to say that the individual or in the market demand what happened. It refers that tabular statement showing the various quantity of the commodity that a consumer is willing to buy at the various level of price during the given period of a time shows the hypothetical demand schedule for the commodity X. As seen in the schedule, quantity demanded uh, of X increasing with the decreasing in the price. The consumer is willing to buy one unit when the price falls at rupees um, one unit at the price 10 units, you can say, at the price level 4 is there, and when the quantity demand, when the price level goes 1, then the quantity demanded 40. So this is the schedule that when the prices decreases, then the quantity demanded increases. So likewise that when we combine the many individuals with each other, so it is called the market demand schedule. Now we will discuss about the demand curve. Here a geometrical representation of the demand schedule is called the demand curve. So when the price of when the price is 1, here the price is given and here the quantity is given. So when the price is 1, then the quantity is 40, demanded 40. When the price is 2, then the quantity is demanded less, means 30. When the price is 3, the quantity all less, and that is 20. But when the price is $4, the quantity is only the 10. So it shows the demand, the curve individual or the market graphic presentation of the demand schedule. With the help of graph, we can understand that how the prices are increases, so the demand is less, and the prices are decreases, then the prices demand is more than that. when we combine the individual demands, so the market demand curve should be formed. Now we will discuss about the law of demand. In our daily life, it is normally observed that decreasing in the price of a commodity leads to increasing in the demand. Such behavior of a consumer has been formulated as a law of demand. Law of demand states the inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded, keeping other factor constant. This law is also known as the first law of purchase. But before that, we have to be discuss about the assumption of the law of demand. So the assumption of the law of demands are prices of the substitute good is do not change. Prices of a contemporary goods remains constant. Income of the consumer remains the same. There is no exception of the change in the price of a future. Taste and preference of the consumer remains the same. So in that we can saw the law of demand here. This is all the curves of the law of demand same. Other factors it keep in the constant. Important facts about the law of demand. Inverse relationship. It states the inverse relationship between the price and the quantity of demanded. It simply affirms that in an increasing the price will tend to reduce the quantity demanded, and the fall in the price will leads to increasing in the quantity of the demanded. Qualitative, not quantitative. It makes the qualitative statement only, that is indicates the direction of changes in the amount demanded and does not indicate the magnitude to change. No proportional relationship. It does not establish any proportional relationship between the change in price and resultant change in the demand. One-sided. Law of demand is one-sided. It is only explain the effect of change in the price on the quantity demanded. It states nothing about the effort of change in the quantity demanded on the price of a commodity. So what is the diversion of the law? According to the law of the demand for a commodity rises with the fall in the price and vice versa, keeping other factor constant. This inverse relationship between the price and demand is given the law of demand, and it driven by the marginal utility, price condition, and the law of equimarginal utility here.